Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to unblock a friend on Snapchat in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to unblock a friend on Snapchat? In this video, I will show you how to unblock a friend on Snapchat. Whether you accidentally blocked them or had a falling out, this guide will help you reconnect. We will go through the steps together, so you can get back to snapping with your friend in no time. Let's see how. Open Snapchat on your Android phone. Click the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings. Swipe up to see the account actions section. Then tap blocked. You will see a list of usernames of people you blocked. Tap the cross sign that appears to the right of the username of the person you want to unblock. Snapchat prompts you to confirm. Tap yes if you would like to unblock this person. After you unblock someone, their username disappears from your blocked list. Blocking cuts off all contact between you and the blocked user, and the person is removed from your friends list. After unblocking, you will need to search for the friend and add them back. To do this, type the username into the search field at the top. Then tap add to the right of the profile picture and username. If the friend is not a public user, they have to add you back as well. So, this is all about how to unblock a friend on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.